Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. This is day 3 of what I made for dinner. I used some wonky peppers that I got from Aldi. I filled it with some leftover boiled rice, some reduced cut price tomatoes, some reduced price mushrooms, and a little tiny bit of onion. I had 1 slice of bacon cut up into little pieces and a dash of soy sauce. So these are my oriental stuffed peppers. They look a bit messy, but they're very tasty because I found it hard to fill with one hand while I was filming. I've got some sweet corn here that have been just cooked in the oven with a knob of butter, a baked potato and some reduced coleslaw and a mixed sweet salad. So really nice, really tasty, lots of veggies, good for you, apart from the butter on the sweet corn, but unbelievably tasty. And I also made a rice pudding from leftover boiled rice, and I added a handful of sultanas and a little dash of cinnamon to make it nice and spicy too. So to make rice pudding, all I used was yesterday's boiled rice, a mug and a half of milk, 2 heaped tablespoons of sugar, granulated dildo and some knobs of butter. And because I had the sultanas and cinnamon, I threw them in, but they're purely optional. I also made my son some stuffed peppers as well. He didn't have the bacon, he didn't have the soy sauce, but he did have a big dollop of cheese on top. So there you go, stuffed peppers, stuffed cheesy peppers, stuffed oriental peppers. You can make it up as you go along, use whatever veggies you've got. Great way of sticking it in with some leftover rice, and it makes it look completely different from what you started off with. Bye for now. Oh, and I forgot to say, please like, share and subscribe and all to do that.